Hello, my name is Michael Bentley, and I'm one of the founders and president of GMP Process Piping. We're both a licensed general building contractor and mechanical contractor headquartered in Vacaville, California. This short informational video will provide you with a first-hand look into one of GMP's highly regarded services, pipe fitting and high-purity process piping. I'll provide you with a high-level overview of the necessary steps that are required to perform a high-purity weld, commonly found in process fluid and gas piping systems for high-purity applications. This video will also highlight brazing, soldering, and welding processes used in fabrication of mechanical piping systems, another service offered by GMP. Let's get started.
In this video demonstration, one of GMP's building trades journeymen, who is a certified pipe fitter and welder, will install a zero-static valve tee in a 2-inch OD 0.65-inch wall 316L high-purity stainless steel tube. Prior to welding, the stainless steel tube must be cut to length. In high-purity applications, the length will be specified in orthographic drawings. The pipe fitter will measure and mark the tubing where the cuts will be made. The stainless steel tube is cut using either a tube cutter with a hardened tool steel cutting wheel or a portable bandsaw. Tube cutting blocks or saw guides may be used to facilitate cutting. After cutting, the tube end is faced with a squaring machine specifically designed to provide a square end within a specified tolerance. Next, the zero-static valve tee body in the correct orientation as specified on the orthographic drawing is positioned on the pre-cut tube section and fit up with a line-up clamp. The stainless steel tube is purged with argon gas before welding to displace the air containing oxygen and water vapor in the tube. Atmospheric oxygen and water vapor, if not removed, will cause oxidation and weld joint contamination. The zero-static valve tee is tack welded to the tube prior to performing an automatic tube weld. Next, the orbital weld machine is used to perform a full penetrating weld. The weld program parameters are entered in the orbital welding machine. The orbital weld head is aligned onto the weld joint. The weld is performed with continuous purge. After the high-purity welds are made, the valve actuator is attached to the valve tee body. Brazing, soldering, and stick welding are all methods of joining two or more pieces of metal and selected other metals. Brazing is a joining process whereby a non-ferrous filler metal alloy is heated to melting temperature above 450 degrees Celsius and distributed between two or more close-fitting parts by capillary attraction. Soldering is a low-temperature analog to brazing. For soldering, the filler metal alloy is heated to melting temperature below 450 degrees Celsius. Shielded metal arc welding, also known as stick welding, is a process which melts and joins metals by heating them with an arc between a coated metal electrode and the workpiece.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions about any of the video content or would like to learn more on how GMP can help you on your next project or repair, please don't hesitate to contact me directly or contact your local GMP representative.